on the handrails. When the gateway stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim beacon. Resort and other ground transportation options are located on level 1.
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. If you're a resident, welcome home. If you're one of our nearly 7 million visitors, welcome to the city. Here, imagination becomes reality in theme parks and attractions. Authentic experiences are found in our art scenes, sporting events, and small business districts. In Orlando, there's something for everyone. We hope you enjoy your visit and everything that makes Orlando
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails. When the gate link stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim beacon. Resort and other ground transportation options are located on level 1. The doors are now opening. The gate link is now arriving. Please stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails. The doors are now closing.
Orlando is Central Florida has so much to offer. There's a good chance you didn't see and do it all. So please come back and visit us again very soon. It's Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. Hope you enjoy the Orlando experience.
Like that, she's, I guess, points. Honestly, I don't fucking right points. I know there were other connections going here, but that was just bad. Yeah, they have between the two I was thinking earlier. Yeah, and I mean, I always fly United, and you used to have a credit card, and you used to have like status. Yeah, that's why I used to be. I would have been able to get all three of us in there, because I had from the GC trips. Like,
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails. When the gate link stops, please exit to gates 30 through 59.
Alright, so dude,
The doors are now open.